Your computer just froze. Again. You're losing your mind, right? Well, what if I told you there are secret weapons that'll instantly unfreeze any program in seconds? And method number 3? Most people have no idea it exists. Stay until the end because I'm giving you a desktop shortcut that'll save your life. Before we jump into the methods, you need to understand why this matters. Frozen programs don't just annoy you, they're eating your CPU, hogging your RAM, and slowing down your entire system. But here's the thing, you can't just force close any process. Some are critical. Kill the wrong one, your whole computer crashes. That's why today, I'm showing you the safest way to do this. First, the boring but essential part, Process IDs or PIDs. Think of them as ID badges for every program running on your computer. Each app gets a unique number. Why? Because you might have 3 Chrome windows open, they all need different numbers so you can target exactly which one to kill. You can find PIDs 3 ways: Task Manager, Command Prompt, or PowerShell. Now, method number 1, Task Manager. This is the easiest way, and honestly, 90% of you will never need to go beyond this. Here's all you do: hit Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete on your keyboard. Click on Task Manager from the list. Task Manager appears. See your frozen app? Click it. Then hit End Task. Done. Your app is gone. The beauty of Task Manager? It's visual. You can see what's running. You can see how much CPU and memory each app is using. If an app says not responding, that's your target. Click it, End Task, problem solved. Method number 2, Command Prompt. Now we're getting serious. This is what IT professionals use because it's powerful. Open Command Prompt as administrator, that's important, admin mode. Type your task list and hit Enter. You'll see every process on your computer with its PID. Found the one you want to kill? Type Taskkill F's PID, the number. The F means force close, no mercy. It'll terminate instantly. Or, if you know the program name, type Taskkill process.exe. Boom. Gone. This method is better when Task Manager won't cooperate. Method number 3, PowerShell. This is the one most people don't know about, and it's slick. Right-click your Start menu, open PowerShell as admin. Type get process, that shows you everything. Now here's where it gets cool. Type stop process name force, and that app is terminated. You can even stop multiple instances of the same app at once. And now, method number 4, this is the game changer. A desktop shortcut that kills all frozen processes with any click. Right-click your desktop, go to New Shortcut, paste this command, Taskkill F5 status EQ not responding. Name it something obvious like kill frozen apps. Click Finish. Now, and this is the magic part, right-click that shortcut, go to Properties, and set a keyboard shortcut. I use Ctrl plus Alt plus K. From now on, whenever your computer freezes, just hit Ctrl plus Alt plus K and every unresponsive process dies. You can also just click the desktop shortcut with your mouse to kill any frozen tasks. Stop. Before you go terminating everything, do not kill system processes. You'll crash your computer. Anything that says Windows or System in the name, leave it alone. Only kill applications you recognize and that are frozen. Pro tip: if you're unsure about a process, Google its name first. Also, save your work before using these methods, you'll lose any unsaved data in that app. And one more thing, if a process keeps freezing, it's probably malware. Run an antivirus scan. Don't just keep killing it. So here's what you learned: Task Manager for quick fixes, command prompt when Task Manager fails, PowerShell for serious power users, and that desktop shortcut? That's your new best friend. You now have 4 weapons in your arsenal to fight frozen programs. But here's the thing, most people will forget this in a week. Save this video. Bookmark it. And if you're serious about optimizing your Windows computer, there are tools out there that do this automatically in the background. It's what IT professionals use. Now, I've got a question for you: which method are you gonna try first? Comment below. And if this saved you from a complete meltdown, smash that like button and subscribe because I drop Windows hacks like this every week.